Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your science session of grade 2. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is uses of plants. Chapter 2, uses of plants. In this chapter we study about plants, that they are very useful and we should take good care of them. And we should think that why they are so important, and in the end of this lesson we know the uses of plant as food and other uses of plants to make fibers, medicines, perfume and dyes. How are plants useful? Now the question is, how are plants useful? Plants give us food. From where we get food? We get food from plants. So plants are an important source of food for us. They give us vegetables and fruits. What they give us? They give us vegetables and fruits. We eat the roots, stem, leaves and flowers of some plants. Okay? Vegetables come from plant and they are nutritious. What are vegetables? Vegetables are very nutritious and we should eat daily. Fruits are very tasty and we can eat them raw. Fruits are very important for us. Fruits and vegetables are very important and they are nutritious for us. Pulses and cereals. Pulses like peas, kidney beans and green grams are the edible seeds of plant. What they are? They are edible. Pulses, like what they are? Pulses, kidney beans, lentils, green grams and peas are the edible seeds of plants. Cereals like rice, maize and flour and wheat are obtained from plant. From where we get rice, maize and wheat? We get it from plant. They are also known as food grain. What they are also known? They are known as food grain. Besides foods, plants gives us other important things like fibers and medicines. They clean and purify the air for us. Plants help to clean and purify the air. For whom? For us. Birds and small insects also depends on plants for food and shelter, because plants are habitats and birds and animals lives on plants. Okay? And what they provide? Plants provide them food and shelter. See the images of pulses and cereals. These are the pulses and these are the cereals. Now move on to page number 20. Tea and coffee. We get tea and coffee from plants. Tea grows in the tropical areas. Tropical areas mean where there are heavy rainfall. So they are called tropical areas. So they have tea gardens. For example, in Kenya. Kenya is the largest or biggest tea garden in the world. So Kenya, Sri Lanka, somewhere in Bangladesh as well, they have tea gardens, tea and coffee gardens. Tea and coffee are obtained from plants. From where we get tea and coffee? They obtain from plants. Even the other sugar that is used to sweeten these drinks come from plant. Sugar also come from plant. See the fascinating fact. Sugar can be obtained from the sugarcane plant. From where we get sugar? We get sugar from sugarcane plant. Other uses of plants gives us fiber to make clothes, ropes and mats from these fiber. Clothes are made from cotton fiber. Ropes and mats are made from jute and coconut fibers. See, cotton clothes, jute mats and coconut ropes. Plants also give us oil, paper, rubber, perfumes and wood. We get oil from seeds, nuts and also from some fruits. What we get? We get oil from seeds, nuts and some fruits from plants. We can use oil to cook and make soaps or shampoos. We use oil to make for cook. Okay? And we use oil to make shampoos and soaps as well. Paper can be made using bamboo trees. How paper made? Paper made with plants, with trees, and which tree? Bamboo trees. Rubber trees gives us rubber. What rubber trees gives us? Rubber trees give us rubber. Some plants like the jasmine plants are used to make perfumes. Roses are used to make rose water. Some plants use for to making perfumes, and rose use for perfume as well, but we make rose water with it. We also get wood from plants to make furniture. From where we get wood? We get wood from plants. Plants also give us medicine. What plants give us? Plants gives us medicine also. Plants are also used to make medicine. An important medicine, quinine, that is used to treat a disease called malaria, is obtained from plant. Okay? Some plants are used for medicines as well. The juice of tulsi leaves is good for cough and cold. These are the leaves of tulsi, and these are very good for cough and cold. Turmeric is used in cooking and also an anti-inflammatory medicine. Turmeric is also used for, is very good for health, and is very good for bones, and it's anti-agent type. The juice of aloe vera plant is the juice of aloe vera plant is good for the skin. The aloe vera plant is very good for skin. The juice of amla fruit is good for stomach. Amla is very good for stomach, and amla is very good for hairs as well. Okay, so these are the few plants, and these are very important for us, and they are very important for medicines as well. They give us medicine. So so plants are very important in our daily life in every aspect, because they give us food, vegetables, fruits, pulses, cereals, tea, coffee, and sugar as well, and they are used in various different different things. For example, for wood, for paper, for clothes, for mats, for ropes, for medicine, for oil, nuts, shampoo, different things. Okay, so plants are very important for us, and today we study the uses of plants. Okay, now we do written work in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.